Nearly 100 million people will go online to shop today, up from 85 million last year. Andrea Warwick. Andrea, I've worked on it. I've practiced. Andrea Warwick is here from promotionalcodes.com. What is that?
A discount coupon shopping site.
Okay. You're too nice to be on this show.
Oh, no. Such great stuff to show you.
Evil. Okay, the first thing I saw was the Sephora makeup. I'm like, that's Sephora. I know that. We'll talk about that in a second. But this
is the latest game from Guitar Hero. It's DJ Hero, so inspiring DJ artists to just have some fun. Has a scratch spin table and 93 original mixes.
Steve loves that.
Yeah. And it comes with Jay-Z and Eminem discs.
Nice.
So the GuitarHeroStore.com has it for $199, and then you could get a promotional code for free shipping and 10% off, and not worry about it being sold out in store. Get it shipped to your house for free and get a savings.
When do you think you'll get it?
You'll get it by the time you order it. Yeah. It should just be a few days. They'll have all the days of when it'll be shipped. Then, I
realize it's getting bigger, but I'm way over here.
Your head is there,
Okay, sorry.
And then moving on to your favorite product, the Sephora Blockbuster palette is a really great kit. For $48, you get 90 lip glosses, 60 lip glosses, 90 eyeshadows, blush, cream eyeliner.
Is this if you're opening up your own salon, or is this for
it's for a beauty junkie, someone who loves to put makeup on.
Yeah, come on, Steve.
And
there goes the guitar.
So sorry.
And it's a value of $400. We have a promotional code right now where you can get a free tote with the purchase, get it for free shipping, so you get a gift for yourself while you're getting a gift for someone else.
Huge. Look at it.
Okay.
Yeah, it's pretty amazing.
Now the guitar?
The Guitar Hero. This is the latest edition of Guitar Hero, and $199 at Guitar Hero Store. We have the 10% coupon with free shipping.
No jury would convince you.
And you get it for $89, and you're playing a great family game.
That's awesome.
Every time I go to do this, they show me. I give up. All right.
I love these watches. This is the ESQ by Movado Muse Ladies Watch.
Nice.
It is such a great gift.
I play like this.
At thewatchery.com, it was originally $450. On sale now for $241.
Yeah.
With our exclusive code, you can get an additional $15 off, final price $226.
Nice.
Okay. All right.
And then the men's watch, Belova Chronograph watch, originally $425, on sale now for $191, and final price $176 when you apply promotional code.
Okay.
Oh, all right.
Okay, what else have we got?
We got a digital photo frame here.
I like these. When I take meetings and I see that they have these on their desks and it constantly changes, I always say, I want to get one, and I never do. How much are they?
Well, it's priced at around $89, $90.
But for you,
Buy.com is selling it for $50 right now.
With a promotional code?
You could get free shipping right now.
How many photos does it store?
It stores, it uses your card, so up to a couple hundred
It's not in English, I can't tell.
A couple hundred pictures, which is great because usually you store all your photos on your laptop, never get them out, show all your pictures instead of one on that frame.
What's this? I love the color.
I love this mint. This is the Dell's Mini Netbook. So it's so great. They have a sale promotion right now for a special price for $279, and you can actually get a bundle set with a bigger laptop, so an Inspiron 15 with this, and it was originally a little over $1,000, and you can get it for $769 with free next day shipping at Dell today.
With all kinds of bundling going on.
Yeah, and that's just like adding extra stuff.
Is that the one that comes in a ton of colors?
Yeah, they have a variety of colors, so it's really fun. This is a gift basket, 1-800 gift baskets. It's from 1-800-Flowers. And you can get a whole bunch. This has chocolates, coffee.
Yeah, that's what I've been doing to set up in Canada. It's less of a hassle. You just send a bunch of things, like mostly booze I send the family. But this is
you know your family.
I do. Yeah. Yes, I do. And they like to get liquored up at the holidays.
What did you want to say?
Oh, no, it's great. If you can't get home for the holidays, send something.
It's not that I can't. I don't want to.
You don't want to.
Let me say, because I'm an Andrea, right? You're so sweet. I'm not used to working with somebody as sweet as this. So thank you for coming
so
by.
Shut up.
I rest my case. All right.
It's after years of working with him, you'll turn bitter like Dorothy.